The quantum you where science meets intention. Have you ever felt a deep connection to something bigger than yourself? Have you sensed that your thoughts might have the power to shape your reality? You're not alone. For centuries, spiritual traditions have spoken about the power of intention. Now, cutting-edge science, particularly quantum physics, is beginning to glimpse the mechanisms behind these ancient beliefs. Quantum physics is the study of the very, very small, the world of atoms and subatomic particles. This is where things get weird, where the rules of our everyday world seem to break down. In the quantum realm, possibilities reign supreme. Particles don't exist in one fixed state. Instead, they exist in a state of potential, a superposition of all possible states. This is where the magic starts to happen. When we bring our conscious awareness, our observation, into the equation, we collapse these infinite possibilities into one concrete reality. Our thoughts, our intentions are no longer just abstract notions, they become powerful forces shaping the very fabric of our lives. Unlocking the secret superposition and entanglement. Explain. Let's dive into two mind-bending concepts at the heart of quantum physics. Superposition and entanglement. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Imagine a coin spinning in the air. Is it heads or tails? Until it lands, it's both and neither. That's superposition, the ability of a quantum particle to exist in multiple states at once. Now imagine two coins spinning in perfect unison, thousands of miles apart. If one lands on heads, the other instantly lands on tails, no matter the distance. That's entanglement, the spooky connection between two particles, where they seem to know each other's state instantly, defying the limits of space and time. How do these concepts relate to us? We are made of those same quantum particles. Our thoughts, our emotions, they all carry a unique quantum signature. Could it be that, just like those entangled particles, our thoughts and intentions can influence our reality in ways we're only beginning to understand? The observer effect shaping reality, with every glance. One of the most mind-blowing discoveries in quantum physics is the observer effect. It suggests that the act of observation doesn't simply measure reality. It actually influences it. Remember the spinning coin? The very act of observing it, of deciding to see if it's heads or tails, forces it to collapse from a state of possibility into a single fixed reality. But what does this mean for our daily lives? Think about it. Every moment we're bombarded with an infinite amount of information. Our senses are constantly picking up sights, sounds, smells. But we don't consciously process it all. We choose what to focus on, what to give our attention to, and what we focus on, what we observe, begins to shape our reality. Our thoughts are like those telescopes, focusing our awareness on specific aspects of reality. What we focus on expands. If we focus on negativity, on fear and lack, we're more likely to experience those things in our lives. But if we choose to focus on the positive, on gratitude and abundance, we open ourselves up to a whole new world of possibilities. Section 4. Thoughts matter. The power of focused intention. If the observer effect is real, then our thoughts are not just fleeting things, they are powerful forces, shaping the very fabric of our reality. Every thought we have, every emotion we feel, sends out a ripple of energy into the universe. This energy, like a magnet, attracts similar energies back to us. That's why it's so important to be mindful of our thoughts, especially our dominant thoughts. What are we focusing on most of the time? Are we dwelling on negativity, or are we cultivating positive emotions like gratitude, love, and joy? When we focus our thoughts with intention, when we back them up with strong emotions, we create a powerful force that can influence our reality. This is not about wishful thinking. It's about aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our desired outcomes. It's about believing in the power of the quantum field to manifest our deepest desires. Section 5. Manifesting your dreams, a step-by-step guide. Ready to harness the power of intention to manifest your dreams? Here are some practical steps to get you started. First, get clear about what you want. What are your deepest desires? Write them down with as much detail as possible. Be specific. The universe loves clarity. Next, visualize your desired outcome as if it's already happened. Feel the emotions you would feel if you had already achieved your goal. Joy, gratitude, excitement, let these emotions fuel your intention. Visualization is a powerful tool for imprinting your desires onto the quantum field. Third, take aligned action. Intention without action is like a seed without water. It won't grow. What steps can you take today, no matter how small, to move you closer to your goals? Every action you take, every choice you make is a vote for the reality you want to create. Section 6. Embracing the quantum field, your connection to everything. We are not separate from the universe, we are an integral part of it. Just like those entangled particles, we are all connected, intertwined in a web of energy and information. The quantum field is not something separate from us, it's the very fabric of our being. Think of the quantum field as an ocean of pure potentiality. Every possibility already exists within it, waiting for us to call it forth with our thoughts, our beliefs, our intentions. We are like surfers riding the waves of this infinite ocean of possibilities. The more we understand the interconnected nature of reality, the more we realize that we are not just passive observers in our lives, we are active creators. We have the power to choose our thoughts, our beliefs, our actions, and in doing so, we shape the reality we experience. Section 7. Living in the quantum world, a new perspective, a new you. Living with a quantum perspective is not just about manifesting material desires, it's about stepping into a new way of being. It's about recognizing our interconnectedness, our oneness with everything around us. It's about understanding that our thoughts and actions have far-reaching consequences, not just for ourselves, but for the world around us. When we embrace this quantum worldview, we open ourselves up to a life filled with purpose and meaning. We realize that we are not limited by our past experiences or our current circumstances. We have the power to create a new future, a future filled with love, abundance, and joy, not just for ourselves but for all beings. The journey begins with a single thought, a single intention. What will you choose to create today? The possibilities are limitless.